How do I fly when I try harder to tell my story, but you pull me down always? How do I fly when every time I try to tell my brother's story, you jail me, censoring the words I should and should not use? Why? Because they challenge your way of doing things. Because they challenge your way of thinking. Or is it because my story is not solid enough to be told? Why? How do I fly? You said bluebird, fly a little higher. Remember, sky is your limit. Bluebird, bluebird, bluebird. Which sky? The one you built just above my head? Well, remember, sister, the words you used to bully me today shall one day come back to bite. For I wasn't doing this for me, I was doing it for you and your children and their children and future generations to come. Remember, brother, your limitations shall one day come back to bite you, 'cause there's no amount of flaws that'll override my existence. But well, you say bluebird, fly a little harder. Which sky are you talking about? Which is my limit? So you say bluebird, fly a little higher. Remember, sky is your limit. Bluebird, yes, I will fly as far as I can. Yes, I will fly even in stormy days. Yes, I will fly even when you jail me. Yes, I will fly even when you censor me. Yes, I will fly